Welcome to another Smart Money Concepts video. They say that the first $100,000 is the hardest to make, but it isn't impossible. In one of our other Smart Money Concepts videos, we share the reasons why it's difficult to achieve this feat and how everything starts to snowball once you attain this amount. A 2022 Personal Capital Wealth and Wellness Index said that about 51% of Americans think that $100,000 is the right amount of savings required in order to be financially fit. That goes to show that most of us believe that financial strength is synonymous with more zeros in the bank, and truthfully, I somehow believe that too. But good things take time, and saving that huge amount of money surely does. Think about it. If you set aside $500 a month, it will take more than 16 years for you to have $100,000 in your account. If you're 30 years old now, then you'll be 46 years old by then. But what if you save $1,000 each month? Then it will still take you 8 years and 3 months to get $100,000. Still quite a long time, right? But the good news is, now there are so many things that you can do in order to shorten the time needed to save $100,000. In this video, I'll give you easy to follow steps to accomplish that in the fastest way that you can. Before that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Smart Money Concepts videos. Number 1. Be thrifty. This strategy is basically one of the secrets to saving, and the only time that you can both save and splurge is probably when your earnings already reach those treasured 7 digits or more. Being thrifty means you have to be wary of your money habits, and in order to stay on this path, you need a discipline to stick with and focus on your financial goals. So here are some ways for you to live mindfully despite the rising prices of everything. Bring packed lunches and meals. Did you know that Americans spend about $2,375 yearly just on restaurant meals? So just imagine the amount of money that you can save just by bringing your own meals to work. Gone are the days that lunches out make you cool, because now there are so many trendy videos on Facebook and TikTok showing you how to prepare your meals creatively and economically. You can even buy a cute lunchbox on Amazon so you can impress and inspire your coworkers. Do disciplined shopping. So this is a term I created to describe the type of spending that I should do to save money. Well, disciplined shopping involves staying within your allotted shopping budget and not going over it, no matter how much you think you need some of the items that you see. This holds true for both online and in-person shopping. You can always make a list of the things you need to buy, just like a grocery list, so you'll remember to purchase those items only. Negotiate your bills. Make a call now to your service providers and ask them if they can possibly eliminate services that you don't need anymore. For instance, you can get the basic subscription on your entertainment streaming service, or you can remove some unused provisions from your phone plan. You'll be amazed because they can probably cut your bills in half if you negotiate it well. Skip those nights out. Cut down those boozy nights. Once in a while, it's good to go out and socialize, but don't do it frequently. Believe me, it's good to just stay home at night and watch some crime documentaries with a sip of your favorite cheap beer. Your wallet will surely thank you. I'd like to add this as well. You have to list your expenses and look at the items that you can totally skimp on. Also, see what costs you more. Moving near your office? Think of your rental costs, or traveling from your current home to your workplace. Consider your transportation costs. Choose which of these is more inexpensive and do it. The fees you can save from this can absolutely add up in the future. Number 2. Save your money automatically. Automate your savings. This is one of the best ways to save that first $100,000. Just do the initial setup and basically you're good to go. When you automate your funds, your savings will go from your checking account to another linked savings account, and the frequency and amount to be allocated are totally up to you. You can set it up every payday, monthly, or even once a week. Just take note of your schedule so you won't forget and wonder where your money went, especially at the start of your automated savings journey. The good thing with this is it reduces stress and worries. You won't have to be anxious that you'll spend your allotted savings for something else because the funds are already transferred into your account, and it makes the process consistent, helping you save easily and conveniently. Just go to your bank and talk with them about the possibility of opening an automatic savings plan. But you can also set up a regular deposit plan into your certificate of deposit or CD account, or even in your individual retirement accounts or IRAs. Talk about convenience, right? Employers sometimes offer to do this too. If they have a program that allows workers to automatically save their funds, then join it. You'll be surprised at the amount you'll be able to save by doing this. No matter what the amount is, even if it's just $20, what's important is you're doing this regularly. Surely, this is very helpful on your path towards your first $100,000. Do you truly, madly, and deeply want to grow your savings? Our channel will definitely help you. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever Smart Money Concepts posts a new video. Number 3. Find other ways to earn. Even though I have a full-time 9-to-5 job in the corporate world, years ago, I realized that a single source of income isn't going to work out for me in the long run. I have bills to pay, loans to repay, and a whole lot of things to buy. So I decided to look for other ways to augment my earnings. I found a freelancing website online and signed up there. And I tell you, that is one of the best decisions that I've made in my life. So the third way to make $100,000 is rooted in this: finding other means to earn money. Basically, this entails hard work and diligence. It isn't easy to find a side hustle while having a full-time job that somehow eats a lot of your time, but it's doable. Take advantage of your skills and hobbies. If you like creating those little sliced videos and posting them on Facebook and Instagram, then try to become a social media manager. If you have an idea for good photos and your relatives always come to you when there are events, then you should start your career in the photography world. You can try what I did. Search for a freelancing website and market your skills there. There are lots of people, from small business entrepreneurs to CEOs of big companies, that need your help in certain tasks. Just beware of potential scammers, as some of them are lurking on those websites. But sometimes, earning additional income doesn't only mean that you should physically work. You can also invest so you can get fruitful returns in the long run. Nowadays, there are tons of investing apps online that can help you jumpstart your way into the investing world. So, try to get into the market and invest some of your money in stocks and funds. But always do your research on the companies and firms that prove to be lucrative when it comes to investing. Number 4. Max out your retirement account. Always prioritize your retirement, even though you're still young. Allocating huge amounts of money into your IRA can help you save thousands of dollars free from taxes. Max out your IRAs and maximize their tax benefits. Take advantage of the company's employee matching programs and contribute the highest possible amount. You could possibly earn as much as $50,000 in 2 or 3 years once you do this. In case you don't have the funds for this just yet, then try to boost your contributions in small portions every quarter or even every year. To give you background, this year, the limit for 401k contributions is from $20,500 to $27,000 depending on your age. On the other hand, the limit for IRA contributions is from $6,000 to $7,000, again depending on your age. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever Smart Money Concepts posts a new video. Number 5. Save up as early as you can. According to a study, almost 70% of Americans don't have at least $1,000 in their savings. This is such a huge percentage, considering that America belongs to some of the highest paying nations in the world. It's probably because of bad spending and saving habits, or because of economic setbacks such as high inflation. But whatever it is, remember, it's never too late to save money. And it's never too early to start either. The best thing about saving up as early as you can, and that can mean once you get your first job, is that there are tons of possibilities to grow your savings, even with minimal effort. Think about the magic of compound interest. Even if you only save a small amount every month, compound interest can help boost it. Compound interest is having interest on your savings interest, so it means you typically earn while you save. But even if you're still studying, you can also start saving. There are grants and scholarships available for you, so you can study and at the same time save your money. Did you know that almost $100 million of the funds allotted for scholarships are unclaimed? So, research grants that are best fitted for you in your course. Remember, great things come from small beginnings, so no matter what your starting amount is, if you save it consistently, you will surely achieve your desired savings in time. Number 6. Change your financial mindset. Your philosophy about money heavily dictates your decisions about it. So when you think that you can splurge on a certain luxury bag because your paycheck will come in next week, and I think you have an unhealthy money mindset. To be honest with you, saving $100,000 is quite a big challenge, so if your mind is not ready for it, then you'll probably fail to achieve it. To save that first $100,000, you need to be fully aware of everything that you need to do, from the little sacrifices of not getting that Chinese takeout to big decisions like maxing out your retirement accounts. So one of the things that proved to be effective is listing and writing your financial goals out on paper. When you put it on your workstation or in your room, believe me, your mind will effortlessly remember it. Changing your money mindset is a bit daunting at first because you really need to change your lifestyle and views about money. But once you commit fully to it, I'm absolutely sure that you'll save that precious $100,000 or even more. These are some of the strategies that could potentially help you gain hundreds of thousands of dollars into your account. Do you also have tips to share with our viewers? Leave your answers in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.